Hello, grade 3 class. How are you? Hope you all are fine at home and doing our drawing assignments on time. Okay, so this week we are making drawing, and I choose a very easy topic for you. I choose hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower because in this flower we learn tones of coloring. Okay, and we are using crayons properly and without black sketch pen outline we are completing this drawing. Okay, so first I will draw on my paper. You can copy the same drawing step by step. Okay, so first I will take the position of the flower. Okay, now first you make a light outline. Do not make too dark. Okay, we are taking the position, so I draw the light outline. See, this is my light outline. Okay, this is our position of the flower. We are making we are doing this drawing more realistic way. Okay, so make sure the flower drawing is to be more correct. Okay, so now this is the point to the flower here, drawing properly. See, like this way. This is the branch of the flower and it goes down. Now okay, so when it goes a little up, so what you do, try to draw the leaves. Okay, because this is the first leaves. Now we are drawing the second leaves. Okay, this is the another leaves, and this is the third one leaves. We are little shifting the behind the flower, so it position like this only. Okay, okay, so this is the flower part. I know it's a little tough, but you definitely you will draw with me step by step. Okay. This is the first leaves, third, fourth, and the fifth. Okay. So little more you have to erase this line and little the flower is going to the realistic. Understand? First I make this line dark. Now I got the proper shape, so I make this line little light. Okay, this is our flower position. Okay, here we are showing the pollen grains and the center of our flower. कोणाला हवी आहे शीतल पण आमच्याकडे नाही आहे स्टॉक नाही आहे त्यांना सांग so this is the pencil outline okay you want to make more dark so you can make it make sure don't make too dark because we are coloring so then the pencil line it will not shows okay make sure it will showing the light outlines okay so you can show like this way also you want to increase the flower size so you can increase this so now directly we are taking the colors okay we are taking the colors to color in this flower this is a little difficult task for you you have to directly color with the crayons we are not using here sketch pen okay so I choose first few shades which name I will tell you here dark green light green yellow green yellow so first we complete this leaves and the branch okay then we move the flower okay so first I choose first single leaf okay you will comfortable to color it make sure the remove the pencil outlines structure if you able to see these light lines then it's okay okay so here I am making so first I give the light green shades color tone then I choose the yellow little to give the strokes because this is the upside the sun rays is coming on the leaves so this is the upside part now here we are taking the middle green this is the middle green Now I am taking the dark green color. Okay, this is required because we are highlighting this. So you want to show the more dark, so instead of black, so you can use this blue color also. Either you want to use the black, little dark, this green shades, you can take the black. But if you take the blue will merge properly and showing the nice effect. Okay, the same way you have to complete this petal, another third one, and this is the stem. Okay, the light part is coming here, the dark part is here. Okay, and the same thing here, this is the down part of the leaf, so here is dark and here is little light. Okay, now you can see the properly I complete these two leaves and this stem also nicely. So let's move our flower part. Okay, so first one we are taking this is light pink color. Okay, we are not taking the dark color because the light colors gives the proper shade. How to make the first, I choose the only single petals. Okay, make sure you will understand. Okay, this is the outline of the flower. So now we are taking orange. We are taking now orange. So here I am using the little gray color because the light tone. Okay, now we are taking the little dark orange, and after that we are choose the red color. This one red. Now we are taking our second petals. Okay, but in between we are leaving the little dark outline here. because the gap of the two petals. This is the gap of the second petal. Okay, make sure. Now, so same method we are using in the second petal. Please watch this coloring carefully. Again we are taking this light pink. Okay, so as per our requirement we are spreading this pink. Now the second orange. So now you must be understand this both petals coloring. You want to show the more dark, so use a white color. You crayons white color. The stroke. This is a white color stroke. Okay. Don't do much, just slightly for the shading part. Okay, so we are moving our third and fourth, fifth paper. Same ways, trying to showing the shadings. This is the maroon, not a crimson red. So a little dark outline, more flower look more interesting. I am stretching here the same few lines. This is the shading purpose. This is our main part. So use the pink first. So behind we are showing this our sky effect. Your hibiscus color shading is ready. So let's show the more realistic way. The coloring will look more beautiful. Slowly, 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 slowly. This is the dark part, so we are showing more dark. Oh, our main part is left here. So first complete this part. Again we are using first pink and orange. Little red. This is the maroon, sorry, crimson red. So here the shadow of the leaves, so here we can show the dark little, and behind here also. This way you show the little light because the sun rays is reflecting on the flower, so the main focus hour is the flower. So this part try to show the little light, okay. Hope you understand this oil pastel shading and enjoy this assignment. Those who want to make one more time, 2 times, they can make the same assignment 2 times. Those who understand properly, they can make one single time also. Draw in your drawing book, okay. Now the time is bye bye and take care.